Hello. In this tutorial, we'll try to learn how to mix your source image, your main pain when you're working with some creative ideas, with some inspiration for your client, boss, anybody. And we'll learn how to make this results in a few seconds. So yeah, let's jump in. I'll use a simple prompt. So just select this prompt, Control C. I'll remove all those results. So I'll be fair with you. We'll generate it again. I'll see how it will work. So I am selecting a source with left mouse click. I have a new node. Now I'm connecting my second image. And let's check my prompt. Use the second image only as a stylistic inspiration to gently refine the architecture of the first image, maintain architectural realism and cohesion. Okay, and I'm clicking make. So I'm doing the same. Now I'm selecting again source, selecting this node, connecting it, and hitting make again to see new result. To see how AI will redefine this idea, I'm doing the same again and clicking simply make. So now I'll have three options I'm waiting for. Also, we can create much more interesting results. In my opinion, connection of the images is okay, but we can do also inspiration image built inside on top of our current image. As you see, they're much more similar, and I'll show you a simple trick how I'm doing it. So from my experience, if I'm opening this image now, simply just double click on it or triple click. Okay, it's not loading so fast. So I'll click zoom simply just click here, double click here will make you a huge image. Click print screen on your keyboard. I am simply selecting now the image. Now I'm clicking escape to jump out. Now I have a source option. I'm clicking here enlarge. Now I'm clicking a draw option and simply I'm clicking this third icon here and pasting with the right click mouse or Control V, you can paste our source image. And we can leave the same prompt and let's see the difference. How now AI will redefine the design. And let's simply check the results. Yeah, remember that now we're connecting images not in this way, but we are connecting them in a little bit other way. So what do we see here? First of all, AI is misunderstanding first and second image. So we can give it a try again and replace a word first and a second, but I don't think that it will help, but let's try. So I'm connecting it. Your second image only as stylistic inspiration. Okay, we can also change it a little bit other way. We can select this node as a first one. Maybe AI will work better now. So image connection is more chaotic than it looks. And it's not so easy as you see, and it will need a little bit patience from your side to find your best workflow. So I'll make a few tests here when I'll connect upside down the images. And let's see the current setup. The current setup works really good. So I use the same prompt, but now the method of connections of the images is different. Yeah, that's the main reason what I wanted to show you in this tutorial. I'm here connecting two images in the two nodes, and I'm getting those results. But here, I'm not connecting those images in a classic way. I'm using a typical main source image, and I'm adding to source image in the draw section additional information. So for AI, I see that this can be even easier way to understand better what I'm prompting. As an example, let's try more difficult prompts. Okay, not difficult or more freedom. Let's give AI. Let's mix architecture buildings. Don't change the environment. It's quite simple. Let's come back to our source image. I'm selecting enlarge, selecting draw. Everything is okay, and simply just use this prompt: mix architecture buildings. Don't change the environment. And let's hit make. I'll make it 3 tries, and let's maybe mix architecture styles. Don't change the environment. So feel free to test any words, the reimagination of your idea, and idea research is quite cool topic because you have a lot of freedom here. Yeah, you don't need to find only one pattern. You can do much more. So mix architecture building, mix architecture styles. So here we have styles, and here we have architecture buildings. So let's wait a while we receive a result. And yeah, that's the main reason I was showing. As you see now, AI is understanding us much more better. It's quite interesting because, as you remember, here the prompt was correct. use the second image only as a stylistic inspiration, yeah? Like, but AI understood this wrong. So I'm simply changing first and second image, and now it's very good. So I really used second image to inspire my first image, and now you can compare them, and the result is very, very good. As you see, coloristic gamma, scale, everything, stone position, everything is the same, but now I have a new style based on my inspiration. I can select even A with this B, and you can see how similar it is. Like, we have round windows, we have those interesting sections here, we have black stone material, and we have exactly the same details here. So yeah, that's very good. That's exactly what I wanted to show you. So you can do the same, and I want you to make the same. I'll move those blocks here, so it will be easier for you to work with them. Here we had some pool options, as you remember. And let's check the latest option when we try to connect not to images, but when we try to put our inspiration inside our image. And yeah, looks perfect. Looks perfect. It gives me more predictable results. So generally, this one is very good. This one exactly what I wanted to show you. Hit enlarge. So yeah, the new design took all the best from my past designs. Yeah, open first floor, round windows, black rocks on the black slabs of the rock on the walls. Here we have a concrete, everything as it was. So it took even this interesting architecture detail. Yeah, we have the metal curved, something like terrace or room, I don't know. And even those small windows, just check it, like it used exactly the same. And please, this took, like, see the details, yeah, like everything looks exactly the same. We have a good light, we have a good proportions, everything is on the correct place. And will be end of our blog. So as you see, we made a lot of interesting stuff. As you remember, we made from simple prompting with the control, huge control, what do we want to show? We gave more freedom to AI and more freedom to AI. We tested more emotional prompts, more prompts with the text inspiration of different architectural companies. We tried also to restyle the main cube of our architecture, and as well we tried to make some more advanced prompting plus drawing on the image with quite interesting results. And at the end, we tried to mix our architecture with inspiration images, and as you see, results are quite good. So that's the main stuff I wanted to show you in this blog. Now you know much more how you can use VizMaker and NanoBanana Pro to create more different information about that. And now you can jump to your projects and reimagine them. So thank you for your attention and hope you like it.